Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's hamster cipher code is hamster. We have to type hamster here. For this, first word is H. We how we can type H. For this, we have to tap 4 times. Okay, just tap 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the H. After this, we have to type A. For this, we have to tap and hold. We got A. After A, the next word is ham. Ham. For this, we have to hold 2 times. 1, 2. Okay, we got the M. After this, the next word is S. We have to type S. So for this, we have to tap 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We got the S. The next word is T. For this, we have to hold 1 time. The next word is E. For this, we have to tap once time. Okay, we got the E. The last word is R. For this, we have to tap, hold, and tap. We got. Take the prize. Thanks for watching. If you don't understand anything, let me show you the whole code. You can keep a screenshot and also you can watch this by pausing the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will upload many more videos like this on this channel.